help me unhelp all the people I helped. I don't know. I still want to help people, but maybe I'm losing my touch. Motion smoothing? Wait, is he gonna jump? Onion, don't you do it. Onion! It's okay, I'll catch you, Onion! Okay, that's fine too. Are you kidding me?
How'd you become the owl lady with your stage fright? We can find another way to stop Bellows. Together. Go. You know I can't stand an audience.
So yeah, me and the boys got into a bit of a food fight up here in the Celestial Realm. Anyway, long story short, I need you to handle the tiny itty-bitty giant dumpling before it falls to earth and destroys everything. You're a smart guy, you'll figure it out. I probably got something that can help you back in my place. Anyway, I gotta go. Believe in yourself and you can do anything. Okay, bye.
Wait, but I...
Now, where were we? Oh yeah, I think you were gonna tell me a little something about this, right? And do yourself a favor. Don't drop any more food.
Wasting your time. We've got work to do. So why don't we just forget about all this and, you know, make this about how cool our builds are? Oh, wait. I get it. It's like a joke, right? You know, you're really funny. That's awesome. Hey, good luck. Whatever you guys are doing, count me in. What do we do once we catch him? Short, sweet, and to the point. Not bad. You guys just left me down there. Abandoned me. I got scared. Just for a second. Quick, come on. You guys are never gonna believe who showed up while you were gone. You're teleps on this guy, and the whole time he's been building some totally artificial happy land? If the greatest builder of all time has spent years working on this, what are the chances he's even gonna have that bomb, huh? I've had enough crazy for one day.
Oh, forgive me. Hello, Your Majesty. What a wad. Let's ditch him. Lumpy Space Prince is throwing a party in the woods. It's gonna be freaky nasty.
And I have no idea what I'm doing.
You aren't?
Oh, that's, cool, I guess.
I said it was cool!
Guys, that was amazing! The emerald entrails! You know, because we're green, and there's more to us than you think.
Steven, you must have been so afraid to show us this side of yourself. But we're not going anywhere. We're all gonna take care of you the same way you take care of us.
You should sneak me into a PG-13 movie sometime. No, I'm just kidding. I would never ask you to break the law. Steven, let's just hop on a bus and live somewhere else without telling anyone.
Of course I do, but I want to be my own person too.
It's so good to talk to you. I've been wanting to see you so bad, I accepted a party invitation from Kevin.
I wasn't aware we had company. We rarely get visitors down here. I know you're in here. There's no need to hide. I'm here to help. I hear you breathing. I can see you're not well. The sickness has taken hold of you. Fear not, I'm not trying to harm you. I sense the disease in you.
And I'm asking why, Lord, if this is how I die, Lord. Why be left with no family and no friends? I got no celebration, just this consolation. Time eats all its children in the end.
But first, fill everyone's canteen. Excuse me? Did I ask you when you last filled them? Excuse me. Now, these fine boys have been working hard. Don't you think it just might be possible they have taken a drink since you filled their canteens? Can you hear the empty spaces? Fill it. If that's too much trouble, you can grab a shovel and Caveman here can fill the canteen. Zero! You take over X-Ray's hole. Caveman will assist you. We're gonna dig this dirt twice.
I'm gonna be a wheel someday. I'm gonna be...
Surprise! Hello, princess.
What kind of leader has all the power in the universe at his fingertips and gets tickled right out of it? Your soldiers deserve better. Let's put it to your soldiers. Who's the better leader? Ludo? Or me?
Oh, God.
Bleeding like a stuck pig. Find the teleporter. You serious? Oh! I don't like that sign. Scrap 'em! Need healing.